everybody, this is Tambiota and you're watching Masterpiece Theater. So today we have MP-30 Ratchet. These boxes are a little bit more tolerable in size, a lot smaller than some of them we were doing before. So we're finally getting into boxes that will completely fit on the screen. So Ratchet here. Just once again, I wanted to remind you that with Masterpiece Theater here, we're just going to be focusing on the figures and not the transformation. So we'll just look at the figures, at the accessories, and just base it upon those merits, because I'm sure a lot of people already have transformation videos out with these figures, and I'm sure they've done a whole lot better than I could have. So alright, well, we can see the packaging here. We have the Nissan Cherry vignette, and man, he looks good in all white. So let's just take a look at the back, and you can see different features and things here. We have him along with Optimus, and this is Silver Streak. Just shows that he does fit inside of Prime's trailer. Barely fits, but he fits. I think you actually have to take the light bar off to... No, the light bar clips in. I forgot. The light bar doesn't come off. And you can see him with some of his extra accessories. He has extra face plates, and then he has a sled, which resembles his G1 sled. And these are all the different things that come inside of his packaging. So he's packed full of goodness in there. So let's I forgot that these smaller boxes, they have some good nice pictures on the side. So on this side right here, we have him in his vehicle mode, and then on this side we have a fun picture of him in his robot mode. So, this is the top. Here's the bottom. So, yeah, like I said, let's get them open. So the figure's a little bit bigger than the box. I had to readjust my camera. So we have him out of the box, and we have him with one of his guns. This is the gun that I usually display him with. So we're gonna go ahead and start with him in robot mode, and then we'll check out robot mode, and then we'll move him into his vehicle mode, and then check out that mode. So alright, so a couple of extra things that are in the box. Let me get this open. So when you do open the box, he has two trays, so a lot of figures don't do that, and you can see all the different things that are in here. Yes, first of all, we'll show off the coin. So I did get that with him. Let me open this up. And this is the... Oh, no, you can't see the back of it. I haven't opened this up, so I don't know what the back of the coin actually looks like. This is his instructions. So we have his instruction packet. He has his stickers. I haven't taken any of those off. I didn't use any of those. He has a scanning thing that goes into here, and he has his collector's card, or his he has a card back here, and that's this little collector's card type thing. You can kind of see it back here. So here's his sled, and it works more as a as kind of a weapon holder. So all of his weapons kind of will go on there. I don't know if I remember how to do that. I know that the instructions show where everything goes. He has this little missile launcher. I know that this goes back here. And then there's a little missile for that. has his 2 dual pistols. He has this weapon gun. This kind of resembles one of his G1 guns. I don't know where that goes. And then into his second tray, that's where this gun comes from. And he has a arm scanner. He has 2 wrenches. Then he has this thing. I guess it's another wrench. He has this welder type thing. Then he has this other little gun thing. And he has this spark type effect, which you can put on your guns. You can put it like that. And he has this extra faceplate. So, those are all of his accessories. So that's a bundle of accessories there. So to replace the face, I think it's just, you just pull off his face, and then you just put the new one back on there. Oh, you didn't even see that. Oh man, you didn't even see me rip his face off. So you just pull his face off. It just comes off like that, and then you just push it back on. So that's the smiling face, and this is his normal face. Alright, so he has let's see here. Does he have pieces in here? I don't remember if he has communicators in here or not. Nah. So some of his weapons can fit on the back. Like you can take this rocket launcher, and this rocket launcher will fit back here on his back. I guess you could tab it on right here too. No, it's a little bit smaller hole. But that's where this little thing comes in. You put that there. You can put that there, or you can put it on this hand. And then the way that this weapon works, let me see here. Take and flip in the fist. And close it back up again, and you have this peg. I don't remember if it goes like this, or like this. Where you have like a butane torch type. It's a weapon, a welder type thing. So, not really doing a good job. I guess if I opened the instructions, it'd probably tell me what it was, but it may just be in Japanese, so I don't know. All right. All right, so for his articulation, the head is on a ball joint, I do believe. Yeah, it's on a nice ball joint, and you get all kinds of motion out of it. The arm, you have a ratcheting joint that goes around like that. Then you have an outwards ratcheting. You have a twist right here. You have a elbow right here. Then you have a twist on the wrist, and then all your fingers will open. That's about it. So then you come down here, and there are skirts. So you can lift those up, and you can lift the leg all the way up. You can go back to about that far. You can twist, which is right here. There's a secondary twist right above the knee, and then there's the knee joint, which is a light ratchet. You come down here to the feet, and you can point the toe down. You can point it up a little bit. I don't know if there's there's an inward type of rock on there, and yeah, that's it. So I know, like, one big thing that a lot of people didn't like were the skirts on the side for the doors, and the tires on the back. I know that I think it's Shadow Fisher. They created a upgrade kit that kind of fixed this stuff, but I don't really want to go mucking around with my masterpieces. I don't really like doing that. Oh, I didn't flip that out. That's the heel. That's why it was falling backwards. All right, so let's go ahead and take a little break, and I'm going to get this guy into his vehicle mode, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we're back once again, and we have Ratchet in his ambulance mode, and you know, other than a few small things, I really do like these car modes. The one main gripe that they have, and that pretty much everybody has, is this portion right here. You know, they have this, they made this as part of the windshield, but they made this white instead of the clear blue that we have. You can see the underside, but it's kind of wobbly. I don't know if I just didn't line up everything correctly. Maybe my fault. But it's all plastic tires. There's no rubber on it. Everything is spot on. You know, the tail lights, the headlights. They even have the homage to the head. The heads that were in the G1 figures in there. If you want to fit them into MP-10, then you take this, you take the light bar, push it down, and push it forward, and it'll stay. Then you just push it back again when you want it to pop back up. Now, the instructions do tell you what each piece is on the sled. So let me go ahead and go over that real quick. So the pistols, these are laser pistols. This piece right here is an X-ray blaster. This is a laser scalpel. Then we have a arc welder right here. Then this is the repair beam emitter right here. Repair beam emitter. This wrench right here The one that's different is the Magno wrench. Then the two wrenches that are the same are the Cyber Spanners. Then we have our missile launcher with our anti-flyer missile. The platform. Let's see here. This is a static laser gun. This piece right here actually fits on there. It goes right here. And then the extra head actually fits on there also, and it goes under here. So you can get everything to fit on there. Now in this mode, I do believe that you can fit these two guns on him. Let's see here. So it's supposed to be underneath here somewhere. I don't actually see it. I'm missing something. Let me look at it real quick. I do believe that these guns go somewhere underneath them. Says it's back here. That's weird. Oh, okay. They just go like this. Just kind of a friction type thing, and they go underneath there and they store there. Now, if you want to take a gun and you want to have it up here. Let me see if I can figure out how to. There it goes. Oh, these are a pain in the butt to get out. Come on. There we go. Now you can take a gun and you can put it up here too. I don't know. It's really weird. Especially for an ambulance. All right, so I think that's it for him. Yeah, like I said, other than those few things with the windshields and with the tire butts, this figure is a really good figure. I don't mind the tire butts, the door type thing, the door. Side skirts bug me a little bit, but not enough for, for me to I don't know. It's not enough for me to say that I wouldn't have bought this figure, because I did. And all right, so that'll go ahead and do it for this review of Masterpiece Ratchet. Don't forget, you can find me on Facebook. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you have already, then, like every other day, I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. This has been Tambiota.